Yes, student. Now, the ionization energy of hydrogen and hydrogen-like particle. Hydrogen-like particle means, suppose we are taking next element. This is helium. So, what is the difference between hydrogen and helium? Hydrogen atomic number is 1. Helium atomic number is 2. Hydrogen has 1 electron, but helium has 2 electron. Getting? So, if we are calling hydrogen-like particle means if we place He cation. He cation means 1 electron is removed. So, 2 minus 1, that is remaining only 1 electron. Hydrogen has also 1 electron and helium plus charge has also 1 electron because 1 electron is removed. This is the meaning of hydrogen-like particle. Like if we say Li plus 2, enough? Or you can write here what? Li plus 2. So lithium has 3 electrons, but if plus 2 means 2 electrons are removed. 2 electrons are removed. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So lithium is also become hydrogen-like particle because again it has only 1 electron. Now the second thing is ionization energy. What is ionization energy? Ionization energy means, suppose this is hydrogen and we have to convert it into hydrogen cation. That is, the atom is converted into ion. This is called ionization. Ionization. Now, to convert hydrogen into hydrogen cation, one of the electron is removed. And how the electron will remove? When we will provide energy. We will provide energy because without energy we cannot release electron and will not convert into ion. Therefore, this is called ionization enthalpy. So, beta, what is ionization enthalpy? Ionization energy is the energy required to remove what? Electron from an atom. Simply, from an atom. Now, how do we remove electron from an atom? If the electron is present in first orbit, okay, so to remove it completely from atom, that is, the electron is going out from the infinite orbit. Going from the infinite orbit, that means in that sense we can say the electron is removed from first orbit and goes to infinite orbit. Getting? Now, energy of infinite orbit is equal to 0. I told you earlier. Why? Because there is no force of attraction between nucleus and electron. That means what? The energy of electron is 0. And what about energy of electron in nth orbit? It is given by the formula minus 21.8 into 10 to power minus 19 upon what? N square. And one more thing, multiplied by Z square. Z is what, beta? Z is called atomic number. It is called atomic number. For hydrogen, the atomic number is 1. So need not to write it. But for others, we have to write it. Ready? Now, what is ionization enthalpy? Again I am telling you, the electron should remove from infinite orbit. So the electron of infinite orbit minus energy of first orbit. First orbit. Now place the value of first orbit and infinite orbit. So it is equal to what? It is equal to 0 minus first orbit energy is what? This is minus 21.8 into 10 to the power minus 19, okay, joule per atom. Getting? But student, here, why do I am not placing the value of n square? Because for hydrogen, n is what? 1. Therefore, 1 square is equal to 1. So need not to write this value. Otherwise, if we have to convert it into kilojoule per mole, so in the kilojoule per mole, what we are writing? 1312 kilojoule per mole upon n square. So again now it will become what? It is equal to 0 minus 1312 kilojoule per mole, or if we solve it, minus minus plus sign, therefore 21.8 into 10 to power minus 19 joule per atom, or we can write here what, minus 1 minus minus plus means 1312 kilojoule per mole. Getting? Now calculate the energy associated with first orbit of He plus 2. Okay, and what is the radius? So very first we have to find what, energy associated with first orbit of He plus 1, that is hydrogen like particle. Now again, energy of nth orbit is given by the formula minus 21.8 into 10 to power minus 19 divided by n square, and remember here multiplied by z square. Now like earlier I told you, multiplied by z square. Here z is called atomic number. Getting? For He plus 1, okay, its atomic number is 2. Atomic number is what? 2. So this is the value of z. Okay, and n, that is orbit, is what? First orbit. So value of n will be equal to 1. Now start placing the value. You will get the answer minus 21.8 into 10 to power minus 19 multiplied by, now the z square become what? 2 square divided by 1 square. Getting? It is equal to 4 8 ja 32, 3 remaining, 4 1 ja 4 and 3 7, 4 2 ja 8, that is 87.2 into 10 to power minus 19 divided by 1 is equal to that value. Okay, joule per atom. But for radius of He plus 1, so what is the formula of radius? The radius, that is Rn, that is nth orbit, is equal to A0, okay, multiplied by n square upon what? Z. Z is again atomic number. Now what is A0? A0 is the constant value 52.9 into 10 to power what? Minus 12. This is in picometer. Okay, if we are converting it into picometer, then it becomes 52.9 into 10 to power minus 12. Okay, that is, it is in picometer, 52.9 picometer. So if we convert, it will become a meter, minus 12 meter. Now here n is equal to what? Again 1. Why? N is called orbit. So orbit is again what? 1. And what about z? Z is equal to 2. Now start placing value. So Rn is equal to A0 52.9 into 10 to power minus 12 multiplied by n, that is 1 square divided by z. Z, that is what? 2. You solve it, you will get the answer. Okay?